Hi, my name is Jasper, and welcome to the second part. Here I begin the sculpting. Now, it's really a long process, and it took me about 1.5 hours to finish the face. So sculpting really helps to add more detail in a model, but I also will show you another method I use to add definition, and you will see this at the end of this video. And it is more procedural, so you don't have to sculpt anything, and you will see with the, I call them in this video ears, but I don't think they are ears. I think they are part of the decoration. And at the end I also add this technique to enhance a little bit the head. This will be the only model with such high definition, also because I just want to focus the attention on this model, and also because I don't need to have so much detail. So now I hope you can enjoy the rest of this time lapse. If you have any question, please write me in the comment section.